Hello everyone, welcome to Cellopedia, this is Maxim. I know you love cello, but let me guess, most likely you also play cello. And even more likely that you would like to play better and better. That's what I want to do personally, and this is what I'm doing here. I'm trying to inspire you and help you to play better and better. There are 3 ways you can benefit from Cellopedia. You can watch hundreds of videos I already uploaded, and especially if you subscribe, you will never miss a new video which I'm going to post on a regular basis. And these videos are free. What could be better? You can watch them as many times as you want or when you want. You can even wake me up in the middle of the night and I will never complain, just play for you the piece you would like to hear. The second, more personal way is to subscribe to Udemy courses. I already made several courses for different levels, and you can work step by step on your technique, and you can even ask me questions about any specific problems you might have working on music I suggest in those courses. You can enhance your studies by becoming a Patreon supporter of Cellopedia. Then you will get a special access to several perks such as cello parts with extra bowings and fingerings and extra videos to play along. I get overwhelmed with requests for online lessons, and unfortunately I have no time to do it. But, and it's extremely exciting news, I partnered with a new and very special project, and this new platform allows for students to record a video and send it to me, and then I will watch it and I will send my video comments. It will work like a lesson, but you will have this recording indefinitely. You can watch it again and again, and I will be able to see and hear what you are doing and address very specific issues you might have. I'm so excited to be able to communicate with you in such different ways. If you are interested in any of those opportunities, please check out the links in the description of every video. No matter what you choose, I'm here for you, and you are extremely important part of my life. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.